Top up firm balance and audit trail in TaxDome. Some integrations and features on TaxDome, such as SMS, KBA, or qualified and advanced electronic signature requests, require payment for services to the providers. To use them, you must first add funds to your firm balance. Go to the Settings section, and then Firm Balance from the left menu bar to view your current balance and add funds, or alternatively from the SMS tab of the Settings Integrations page. Here you can see the amount of funds available. This is the money reserved to ensure that there will be enough funds to pay for e-signatures for all signers once their turn comes. If not used fully, they will be returned to the main balance once the document is fully signed. To add funds, a firm owner, admin, or employee with access rights to charge the firm's balance can select the amount and click Buy. Check the box and click Proceed. The new amount will be reflected here. Now let's go to the SMS integration. If you have it set up, you will also have the Auto Top-Up option, triggered when the firm balance falls below the selected amount, saving your Twilio phone number. Click the Edit Auto Top-Up link to set it up. Make your edits in the Auto Top-Up sidebar. Select the amount on the firm balance, upon reaching which the Auto Top-Up will be triggered here on the When Firm Balance Falls Below. Below it, select the amount that will be added when the automation is activated. For this example, we will leave it as it is, then press the Save button. You can see how the money from the firm balance is spent. To view your transactions, go to Settings. Firm Balance from the left menu bar, then click the Audit Trail link at the top right. There, you will find information about when someone adds funds to your firm balance, requests KBA, reserves money for qualified or advanced electronic signature requests, sends or receives SMS, and more. The information displayed will be in the following columns. The account name states the user's first and last name or business name. User identifies who initiated balance changes. Description states what the transaction was. Next, the cost of the transaction. The universal event time and the time at the client's location. The IP address of the user who made the transaction, and finally, the device's browser from where the transaction was made.